Hey everyone, I want to show you how to download and access the new Workology app. So first things first, you can go to the App Store or Android and add the app directly to your device. So here we go. All right, it's being added now. All our courses, paid courses, are available on the Workology mobile app. And as I mentioned, it's Android as well as Apple. So you'll be able to access every piece of the mobile app. That includes our practice tests, our digital flashcards, our audio and video resources, and downloadables and more. The experience, whether it's the mobile app or on your desktop or from your Google Chrome or different places, is exactly the same, or for the most part the same. The usability should be the same. So let's see what happens. So once you sign up for one of our courses, you're going to get a user name and password. So this is the home screen here that you can see. You're just going to put your information in here. I'm adding mine. The moment of truth. I hope this works for me. Eureka. So you can see we have a welcome message here for me, and then we have the different practice tests or the different courses. In this case, I have access to ACE HR Audio, HR Practice Test for SHRM, and HR Practice Test for HCI, so our HRCI. So you just pick a course. So I clicked ACE the HR exam, and you can see that we have 48 lessons listed in ACE the HR exam. These are all the audio addendums and resources just for HRCI here. So you're going to click through, you can start your course. This one is audio only, so there'll be more audio than anything. So this is my welcome message, so I'm going to just mark it complete here. And then you'll move into lesson 2. So hit the next button at the top. So there you go. You can kind of see for ACE the HR exam, the 48 lessons that are part of it. As I mentioned, we have HR practice tests, different versions here that you can also get into. Courses are also listed here in the course section. You can see that ACE, the HR exam for the APHR, SPHR, and PHR, which I was just doing, is in progress here. So you can access it there as well. It's all alphabetical or searchable. I love this feature. And then lastly, you have access to your account under the More section. So we can look at categories, certificates, specific products, and settings. If you need any help at any time, just email us at help@workology.com. Myself and my team, we are here to help provide resources, information, support. If you have a recommendation in terms of a feature that you would like to see on the Workology app for Android or Apple App Store iOS, let us know too, help@workology.com. I'm so excited about our new mobile app. It has been over a year in the making, and I can't wait for you to check it out and help utilize this technology, this resource for you to ace your HR certification exam and help you grow in your HR career.